Hope you're doing okay today. So today I am going to look at a warehouse space. I'm so excited. Y'all just don't know. I mean, I'm gonna show you my room and why I have to get a warehouse space because it's ridiculous. So this is my craft room. As you can see, there is just stuff everywhere. Look at this tower of wreaths. It's ridiculous. Look at that. And you know what the worst part is? I don't even have them listed to sell because I just don't have time. So I'm hoping that this warehouse space is going to help me. So I have stuff everywhere, and I'm embarrassed to show you, but I'm going to show you anyways. All right. Look at that mess down there. I mean, seriously, I need to do better, right? This is terrible. It's terrible, but I just have so much stuff, I don't have space to put it in. So it's gotten to where it's just all over the floor. It's just everywhere. Now, I keep Bella's space clean, little baby. But look, I have stuff all over my desk, all over my workspace. It's all over here. It's crazy. I gotta stop doing this. Look at this. So all of the really bad stuff is hidden behind my couch. It's ridiculous. I told you it's really bad. So hopefully I'll be able to show you the space when I go look at the warehouse today because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I need it so bad. So this is my family room downstairs. This is where we've been packing the kids. It's just ridiculous. So we started out, we only did like 40 kits. We would do like 40 kits a month. Was no big deal. I could do everything in here. But now I'm up to like 150, so yeah, I just don't have the space. So I'm gonna show y'all where I have all the supplies because it's ridiculous. I mean, don't get me wrong, I am not complaining. I love doing these kits. It's like my favorite thing ever. But look, that's the boxes for my kits. Look back here. This is my garage now. So I have flat run out of space in my garage to do this, so I have to get a warehouse space. I am so excited that I get to do this and thankful, so thankful. Y'all, I'm so thankful that you trust me enough to buy these kits and that you're enjoying them because that's like my favorite thing to do. It's my favorite thing to do to make these kits and just see if I can come up with something really cute and get all the supplies because I just find that so much fun and exciting. So I just wanted to thank y'all. Hopefully I'll be able to get a little bit of the space, okay? Hey y'all, so look, I'm at my new space. Look at this warehouse. Look how tall it is. It doesn't look all that big, but compared to what I've been working in, it's pretty awesome. And there's a space exactly the same size next door. So we're probably gonna have to take down the panels so we can use that space. But how cool is this?